In this video, I'll show you how to set up Square Invoices. First, sign into your Square account and open the dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Payments, then select Invoices. Next, click Create Invoice and choose an existing customer or create a new customer profile. Enter the customer's email address or phone number so they can receive the invoice. After that, add the products or services you're billing for by selecting items from your catalog or creating custom line items. Review the quantity, price, taxes, discounts, and any notes you want to include. Then choose the payment methods you'll accept, such as credit cards, ACH bank payments, or digital wallets if they're available for your account. Now, configure the invoice settings by selecting the due date, payment schedule, and optional reminders. Preview the invoice to make sure all of the details are correct before sending it to your customer. Finally, click Send to deliver the invoice. You can return to the Invoices section at any time to track its status, send reminders, record payments, or manage outstanding invoices directly from your Square dashboard. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to set up Square Invoices. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.